Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from our first store in Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Beat the quality, the prices or the collection, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. Dear ladies, today's episode is going to be about very royal, very rich Kanchipattu sarees, and let me now show you the first one, very lovely one. Moving on to it. Here's the first beautiful Kanchipattu saree, which is in green, peach and neon pink color. On the body, we have beautiful floral buttees in cross checks. So we have silver zari work on the green color body, and the florals are embroidered in yellow color thread work, making them even more prominent and beautiful. The border in peach color has leaves on the edge. We have polkas in small boxes and cross lines too. We have small zigzag lines and florals and leaves jal with diamonds all the way with zigzag lines. So we have copper zari work on a peach color border, and we have some silver zari detailing if you have a closer look. Here's a beautiful contrasting pallu in pink color, and on the pallu we have these paisleys in cross lines in champagne gold zari, and we also have this floral and diamond brocade work all the way on the pallu in champagne gold zari. The contrasting blouse is in pink color for a green saree which has self-embossed floral buttees on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver them to you in no time. Have a look at this royal maroon color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have small floral buttees in gold zari, making it look very lovely. We have a beautiful small border for this one, and we have this wavy line with florals. We have polkas in small boxes with cross lines and diamonds. Have a look at the beautiful self pallu, which has diamonds in lines, and then we have huge floral buttees in gold zari with brocade work all over it. Our self blouse also has beautiful brocade work on it, making this saree very elegant, very beautiful. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that we provide cash and delivery option only in Hyderabad. Let's have a look at this beautiful green and red color Kanchipattu saree, a classic color combination. On the body, we have huge floral buttees in gold zari with a lot of detailing. We also have paisleys here. We have small floral buttees too. Lovely work on the green color body. The red color border has temples in gold zari. We have wavy lines and we have cross lines. Then we have peacocks with florals. All the work is in beautiful gold zari, making it look very royal. The contrasting pallu in red color has florals and leaves jal in wavy design, and then we have floral buttees in gold zari and red color thread work on cross lines. Then we also have cross lines brocade work with huge floral buttees. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in red color for this green saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that the weavers' prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. This is a very pretty Kanchipattu saree in pink color. Let's start with the body. The body has very small floral buttees in silver zari all over it. Silver zari looks extremely beautiful on the pink color body. Our border has diamonds and we have florals in lines. Our pallu has small floral jal, and then we have diamonds in silver zari. We also have small floral buttees in boxes. Here's the beautiful self blouse for this pink color saree, and to place an order for this pretty saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that you can also shop for our beautiful sarees by clicking on these links which are mentioned in the description box. When you click on these links, they will take you to a website that is kanchivml.com. There you can add this saree and many more such beautiful saree to your cart and place the order right away. Here's a very gorgeous grey with peach color Kanchipattu saree, and let me show you the body first. On the body, we have dollar buttees inside circle buttees in cross florals and leaves jals checks in champagne gold zari. Our border, which is in peach color, has florals and leaves jal, and we have diamonds and cross-line detailing inside the florals and leaves. We also have cross lines in gold zari with small florals in diamond design in lines. For the lovely contrasting pallu, we have huge paisleys and lines. Inside the paisleys, we have florals and leaves jal, and around that we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari. We also have beautiful brocade work of diamonds and gold zari all over the pallu. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse for this grey color saree. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can watch it again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's a very rich and very royal gold with red color kanchi tissue saree. Let me show you the body. On the body, we have beautiful florals and leaves jal with lovely birds perched over them, and we have the work in gold zari, champagne gold zari and red color self-embossed work, making it very rich, very lovely. On the deep red color border, we have small leaves on the edge, and then we have small florals in boxes. We have cross lines, and then we have floral buttis in circular boxes. We also have paisleys in lines with cross lines and diamond detailing inside them, and we have huge florals and leaves jars all over the border. On our pallu, we have cross lines in gold zari, and we have polkas in boxes. We also have huge paisleys with florals inside them and florals and leaves jar around it too. We again have polkas in boxes and cross lines. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse for this gold color saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop from our website by clicking on these links mentioned in the description box, which will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. You can place your orders there right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again and share it with your friends and family. Place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's beautiful episode about lovely Kanchipattu sarees. I tried to show you so many variations in colors and various price ranges too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.